Warren from Birkdale joins us now. Hello, Warren.
Hi, how are you? And hi, Guy.
Hi.
I recently was working away from Brisbane, and I had to fly up and fly back for my days to work and come back for my days off.
Okay.
And less than 36 hours before my work tour was due to start, I got a call saying that my services are no longer required, but I'd booked the tickets to go up and booked the tickets to come back.
Okay.
And, I'm just wondering what I should do about it. Is there anything I can do about it, or I've got to grin and bear it?
Were you working under a contract, Warren? How were you engaged? Was it just come on board the easier terms, or was there more to it than that?
Well, I got a contract to work, and at the moment I can't find it for the life of me.
Okay.
That contract.
All right. That's going to be the backbone for the answer to this question. But let's see what we can do without it.
Yeah.
You will have been employed under that contract. I'm assuming for the moment that there's not an award or something that sits underneath that. But regardless of your contract status and what that contract says, you're still entitled to the Fair Work Basic Principles. Now, the termination of your employment will be dealt with in that contract. How much notice, how long, what the grounds are for termination. The fact that you've had to incur those expenses whilst you were employed means that they are work-related expenses and you're entitled to recover them. So you can and you should submit them as work-related expenses as part of your final entitlements and recover those. And that's perfectly legitimate because it's reasonable to assume that you would have had to book those flights more than 36 hours before departure. So you should be able to recover them. Have a look at your contract, though. I'd be very surprised if there's something in it that says that any unclaimed expenses at the time of your termination are not recoverable. I wouldn't have thought that would be in there.
So what's the next step for Warren there, Guy? Would he go to the workplace to ask for that? Or,
Yes, so a big long rummage through your house looking for that contract. See if you can get one from your employer. They should have a copy.
And are they obliged to give him one if he can't lay his hands on it?
No, but ask. If you wind up in a Fair Work dispute, they have disclosure obligations and they'll have to give you a copy of what's under their possession or in their control, and you'll get a copy then, but that's further down the track. See if they'll give you one voluntarily. They probably will. It's not usually a dispute type issue. And then just submit a claim for expenses like you normally would.
You're listening to ABC Radio Brisbane.